Hey guys, it's Dylan with Performance Autobody of Longwood. We were previously Winter Park Paint and Collision, now Performance Autobody of Longwood, but we are still the badass body shop. We just recently got to this location, we're still moving in, but let's go meet Dan, the main guy, and give us a tour as if we're a customer of what you could expect when you come to Performance Autobody of Longwood. I'm gonna walk in, we're gonna get to the lobby here. We're going to meet our lovely receptionist who will take care of all of your needs, answer the phones, all stuff like that, make appointments, and whoa! There's Dan!
Good morning.
Dan, why don't you give us a tour of Performance Autobody of Longwood?
Well, no problem. It started out with that we're still under construction because this is our all new facility. Of course, you see the overview of our nice waiting room. We have all the amenities that everybody would want to be able to actually hang out for a little while. Unlike a lot of shops where you have to push a dog off the couch.
What if you're on the couch?
Well, yeah, I guess that would, but that's spelled different. I'm always talking about like D-O-G dog, not D-A-W-G.
Oh, not D-O-G-G?
No, that'd be Snoop. Hasn't been here.
Yeah.
So, first person you're gonna see when you come in is Melinda's smiling face, and she handles all that. Unlike the old facility, we have a very nice restroom with the one little feature, I don't know if you noticed there, the little toilet paper holder has a cell phone holder on top. That's nice. This is my area over here. This is a private office that we're going to use for visiting adjusters. So when insurance adjusters have come to do an estimate, that's where they can use. Now we're going to go into the belly of the beast. Like I said, keep in mind we're still under construction and still moving in, but you can get the idea of what's going on. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the old facility, and we're laying it out a little bit different. We have our parts storage area back over here in this corner, and the booth, which is going in now, which we figure another week or so before that's up and operational. We hope for big things here. We're changing stuff up a lot. We're putting in a new frame machine, which hopefully will be here in next week or week after that. Get all this big mess all organized, which a lot of it was just bring up and drop from the old facility. And of course, you know, Frenchie's doing what he does, and Bubbles is here somewhere. A lot of our time now is getting things organized, and hopefully near the end of February we're going to have a grand opening. We're expecting the Longwood mayor to be here for a ribbon cutting ceremony, and just up and out from here. And we're going to be adding an auto glass division, which mobile auto glass and in-house auto glass. And one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to specialize in the older vehicles on the auto glass. And pretty much all I got to say.
No, stay badass.
And stay badass. We're still badass, and we're always going to stay that way.
So there you have it. We are now Performance Autobody of Longwood, but we still are and always will be the badass body shop. Keep up to date with how we grow by checking us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and stay badass.